We all need those Silan cookies in our life. And yes, they are gluten-free and vegan and 0-gram added sugar. All you need is one mixing bowl. We're using almond flour, baking powder, this creamy, delicious Silan tahini, and olive oil. Mix it really well. Use your hands. You're going to get a bowl and you're going to use some large piece of parchment paper. You're going to place the bowl in the middle. Make sure you sprayed your parchment paper to prevent sticking. You need to flatten it out. You can use your hands or better to use a pin roller. Roll it, roll it, roll it. And the best part, Silan date syrup made out of one ingredient only, Israeli majul dates. Spread it well, roll it gently with a parchment paper, slice it, bake it in the oven, and oh my God.